Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. You don't tamper with fire alarms anywhere unless you have your own fire alarms at home. Even if you are going to someone's house and they have a fire alarm set up, you still don't tamper with that because those are not your alarms. You don't tamper with any alarms unless it's your alarm. But if it's not your alarm, you don't tamper with it. You especially don't tamper with alarms in public buildings. You don't tamper with any alarms that are not yours. Only do it with yours only. Don't do it in someone's house with their alarms, and especially don't do it in public buildings. Only do it with your own alarm. When it comes to tampering with fire alarms in public buildings, you especially don't do that because these things are life safety devices. These things were made to save people's lives because they alert people that there is a fire in the building and they have to evacuate the building immediately. So, if you are tampering with a public alarm, you are putting the public in danger. So, especially don't tamper with public alarms. You don't tamper with any alarms unless you have your own alarms at home. But if it's not your alarm, don't tamper with it. Bye.